Alright guys, this might be the shortest video ever. Here is the switch gear right there. We were working there after we got the lights finished from yesterday. If you remember, we pulled the wire yesterday, left the loops out because we didn't want to take the lights off at the end of the day. And so this morning we went ahead and pulled the lights down. One of the screws was stripped out, which took like 30 minutes to get off. So I'll try to throw in a picture of that. So anyways, got that all taken care of. Got the lights taken down, got the wire pulled into the lights, made up the lights. And then we went to go turn the lights on, and then the main tripped on that gear over there, back over there, right there. So the main tripped, and we were trying to figure out why, and it wouldn't turn back on for like, well, basically it took like an hour and a half to 3 hours to turn back on. So ended up being like, I don't know, there's like the shunt trip or something. Don't quote me on any of this, but something with the shunt trip from the main power, I believe, wasn't working. So basically I had to take off every single wire off of the little machine to reset it because it was instantly tripping when we were trying to turn it back on. I don't know why this was occurring. But anyways, we finally got taken care of. Basically my coworker just did everything and I stood there for like 2 hours. So easy money. But anyways, finally got that taken care of, and then we turned the lights on and every single light worked. So super excited about that. And then at the end of the day after that, took a little break, skipped lunch, and then we pulled the last like 10 lights down here, pulled all the wire down here to the 10 lights. Didn't take any lights down. So like I was saying, we didn't take any lights down on the last 10 because it's the end of the day again. So the wire is ready to go, and that seemed to be pretty quick sequence of just pulling the wire and then taking the lights down a different day and then getting that all pulled in and wired up. It was really fast. So anyways, that pretty much wraps up the whole day. Taking down the lights, pulling the wire into the lights, and then trying to turn the lights on, broke the main breaker, and then got that fixed, and then pulled in the new wire at the end of the day, and then that was it. So pretty nice quick day. Like I always say, the day goes by fast when you seem to not be doing much, and the day goes by really slow when you get a lot done. So it's one of those days where it went by pretty fast and it was pretty enjoyable. But my phone's on like 3% right now probably, and I'm running out of storage. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, check the description for anything else like social media and other video playlists that you may be interested in, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Like I was saying, my phone battery is about to die, but also my coworkers were standing around talking, and otherwise I would have graciously walked the job site and turned on the lights for you guys and showed you, because it looks great. Every single one of them worked, didn't have a problem, so I was very proud of that. It was pretty much I wired every single one of them. I take pride in doing things right as best as I can the first time and making sure my connections are all good. So it's nice to see when there's no problems. So I'll try to throw in that little clip that I recorded when I was walking the job earlier, going to lunch. So I will try to throw that in right now if I don't forget.